In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily add contact widget on an iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys. I'm gonna show you all the process from the beginning, and the first step, we need to long press on the home screen until icons will start shaking. That means that edit mode is activated, and then we need to tap right here at this plus, and at the search box we can search for contacts. If we get into contacts, we'll be able to select one of three different contact widget formats. I prefer to use that one for a certain contact. And then to add this widget to your home screen, you need to tap at that button, and after that we'll be able to drag it in that way until we find the best position for that widget. Also, we can edit that widget, we can configure it. To do that, we need to tap at that widget, and as you can see, by default it placed here some contact, and if we tap on it, we'll be able to change it. We can select any user from our contacts book, and also if we activate show buttons, it will place call and message buttons on that widget. So if we now head over to our home screen, we can see that now we can easily call or message that user simply by tapping at that buttons. And also if we tap right here, it will open up that user's contacts card where we can message them, call them, FaceTime them, email them. Also we can get some info about that contact. And also down below here I can see my conversation with that user on Telegram and transactions on bank application. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.